arrest. I'm the citizen cop of Springfield.
Good thing you ran into me, sir.
You said that's the mom? Does she like coffee? No, it's coffee.
It's awesome they have a Trump banner.
Oh, you should see they have a stand somewhere. They'll bring all their shit out.
Yeah, they had where you could buy like vote Trump like shirts and coffee mugs and everything.
You got your coffee back there, Jay?
Yep.
Did you spill it?
Not yet.
Oh, so you're thinking about going to.
Well, I mean, you know, it's always a
That guy's going through a red light too. Look at that.
You're not a freaking cop. Quit honking.
You're gonna cause an accident.
Alright, well, who's that?
Hey, Bill! Bam!
These people are thinking, there's a guy turning, I can't go.
Right? Stressing everyone out around you so that you can get a laugh.
That's why they took the air horn off my truck.
Hey, dear.
Well, no.
Wasn't that what you were trying to teach? One of the things you were trying to teach Evie this morning?
What's that?
There's good jokes and there's bad jokes, and we don't do pranks that hurt people.
That guy he's in the middle. What is that guy doing behind us?
I don't know.
He just got over and just like.
Is that Meat Mills? Hey, it's Meat Mills.
You want to get a lottery ticket?
Yes.
You don't win if you can't play.
What? Maybe you said that a little wrong.
You won't win.
You can't play.
Didn't I send you a scratcher too, dear? On your phone? You gonna go get it? Oh, there's your mom. In front of us. Well, that's a car.
It's a car.
Rain, rain, go away. Come see me today.
We stopped betting on it sometime.
Where you going?
We're gonna go get her a ticket.
What kind of ticket?
Whatever she wants to get.
Like a baseball ticket?
And dear, there's a
Don't
curb
ever
here.
waste your money ticket.
Oh.
Should I just drive in?
I treat them like birds or just enjoy having them. Like a fun game. Just throw away when you're done.
Yeah. Oh, you got me. He's like, who am I gonna rob?
Oh, look at that booty.
Oh. Oh. I might get this guy.
Look at those Trump shorts.
What am I gonna do? Who am I gonna ask?
Stay.
Let me ask this lady. Oh, yeah, hey, lady, you got any money? Hey, you got any money? He's screaming. Hey, ma'am, you got any change? Hey.
Let's go look at your wife. Oh, you're safe. Bums don't look at her. You're alright.
What's he saying? Can I charge my phone? Know about this phone? I stole it. Just can't get anything around here. Man, I need my crack.
Meth.
That was stop repeating.
Look at it, look at it.
Hey, you! Oh, that's a dude. I only can ask the women.
No, he's looking at that fat girl right there.
Hey, don't touch me there. This is my nana.
Oh, there he is. Ask her again. Ask her. Hey, you. Hey, ma'am. No. I don't watch that piece of shit. I got my own phone.
What is he asking?
I don't know. Ask him. Say, hey, what do you want? Is that yours? I'm gonna turn it in. Oh, citizen arrest. Hey, cut it out. Oh, man. Let me see if I can unlock it.
I just got to shoot up right there. Right here.
Let's see. Oh, maybe I can charge it. Oh. What else I got in this bag for sale?
You need a phone? You need a phone? Got a phone? Stolen from yesterday.
Good. Because there's a crazy guy over here.
I'm going to have to leave when we get back.
Why?